I'm Adrian and welcome to my YouTube channel Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. If you are looking for dropshipping suppliers or wholesale suppliers, then you come on the right place. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this video. Who knows, maybe you'll find one or maybe more suppliers that you can use in your business. Before I'm going to start talking about first supplier, I would really appreciate if you smash the subscribe button, Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. It will really help me a lot. Another thing I want to let you know before we are going to start talking about these suppliers is that all the content I post here on my channel, you can actually find on my ebook. So if you go on dropshippingsupplyershub.com, I will leave also a link in the description of this video. Then you'll find my ebook. So everything that I'm talking about here on my YouTube channel, you can actually find it there. All the suppliers, the dropshipping suppliers and wholesale suppliers, you'll find them there. Here I decided to divide this ebook in 4 different parts, so it's up to you which ebook you're going to get, if you want, of course. Otherwise, you can watch my videos. It will be also okay. So it's up to you, 150, 300, 450, or 645 suppliers. And if you combine with Shopify's offer that you can bring your ideas to life for just $1 per month, then you can try dropshipping and see if it's something for you. What are you going to find on my ebook? You can read more the details here, but I'm going to go with the last part. You're going to find what is dropshipping and what exactly means, what are the steps that you have to follow to have a proper business start, a list of 645 suppliers, in this case, marketing tools for your business, and frequent asked questions about dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, I will highly recommend to take a look at the resources. I put all the best information in one place, so you don't have to lose a lot of time trying to figure out all over the internet what are the best hosting, the best SEO tools, email marketing tools, best themes and plugins, best page, website builder, dropshipping with Shopify. Everything it's in one place. Of course, you have to check it out and see which one is the best for you. But everything it's in one place, so you will save a lot of time if you check it out. Now let's start with the first supplier, awesome.com. Let's take a look to see what exactly they offer. As you can see, garden furniture, design, grills, telts, toys, sofa, love seats, and camping supplies, and much more. Definitely, you have to take a look more in details than I do. But let's look to Awesome Business B2B. This is where we are going to look for it. And here you can grow your business with Awesome. You are one-stop B2B solution for retail, restaurants, home design, and more. So you have here dropshipper login, sign up, and a wholesale quote. This is going to come soon. So what are you get access if you start working as a dropshipper? You can access to thousands of high quality and competitively priced products, 15% off of B2C pricing, 20% off for account with 5K plus annual order volume. So if you sell more than $5,000 in a year, then you will get 20% off extra. Access to live product data feed, product info, price stock, availability, and so on. Wholesale, this is going to come soon, so we cannot talk about it. And here are the categories where you can choose from. So strategically located 5 warehouses for fast and reliable services. So it will be very easy with the shipping. Free delivery, 30 days, return policy, 24 hours dispatch, secure checkout. And here you'll see why you should choose them. The question is, you just have probably to send them an email to see if they ship international or just US. But since it's a high volume, big products like furniture, it will be very, very expensive for you to ship this kind of product. For example, sofa or somewhere else, like in Europe, it will cost too much. So definitely, I believe it's just in US the shipping, so it's easy. You get here free delivery. That's why they have 5 warehouses, so they can cover a lot. And here you can take a look of these categories, and you'll have an idea about what you're gonna find. So this is awesome.com. You will find a link in the description of this video. Make sure you check it out, and make sure you're gonna check everything on their website and have a better idea than I presented very shortly. Let's go now to the second supplier, Costco.com. This is a wholesale suppliers that offers different products like mattress, products for cars, for gardening, and much more. You can see here on their website a lot of products, and you can have a better understanding what exactly you can buy from them. So the price you see is the price you pay. Let's go down on the bottom of their website. You can earn cashback rewards on every purchase. That's very nice. Let's look to about them. Okay, logo. You have some members privilege if you want to be. Let's see, membership fee is for 12-month period from the date of enrollment. All right. You just have to see how much it will cost. So here you'll find just wholesale products. You can see here vendor suppliers, supply chain disclosure, ethics, hotline for suppliers, and so on. You can take a look and understand better. You will find here a warehouse. All right, let's just, so this is like a marketplace where you can find a lot of products from different categories. You feel the deals, for example, and you have for fitness, for outside, and so on. So take a look and see what exactly you can find and see if it's something for you. You can choose here different countries. All right. Buy in warehouse, pickup, and so on. I'm not going to go so much into details, but make sure you do that. So this is Costco.com. Link in the description of this video. Let's close this one. Let's go now with the third supplier. This is wholesaledeals.co.uk. So wholesaledeals.co.uk. This is a platform where to have access to get the best suppliers that offer dropshipping and wholesale, you have to pay for it. So you will find here the latest wholesale deals and suppliers that offer dropshipping. So this is like a wholesale directory of eBay product suppliers. So you can buy wholesale and dropship products at 45% to 95% margins, safe in the knowledge that they are already selling successfully and in quantity on ebay.co.uk and amazon.co.uk. And here you'll see what you'll get, spot the wholesale deal you want, buy the deal tracker and get the supplier contact information, get it, sell it, profit. And you can buy a monthly subscription or just to one time in a year, an yearly subscription. So let's go here. First, let's see. So if you know you trade and think you can do better than us, 60,000 plus wholesalers and dropshippers will make your life easier. That's a lot. So let's go here. So you can unlock immediate access to over 60,698 verified wholesalers and dropship suppliers offering authentic branded products at discount of up to 95%. So per month, it will cost you £15, 6 months, 35, 1 year, 60. And if you want, that's for the deals database. If you want suppliers database and you get UK verified, UK manufacturer importers, largest UK dropshipper database, and EU verified wholesaler, and so on, you can see the prices. But if you want both combo database, then you have to pay for per month £25 for 6 months, £60, and in 1 year, £80. So you'll get everything. So you can, I was a member of this, and I can recommend to do that. You'll find the link in the description of this video. So that's not so much to say about it. Just you can take a look and see, for example, some products you are going to find here. Look, if I'm going to click here, it will just show me the product, what is the price that I'm going to buy, and the retail price is here, and the markup. I can say that it's not really exactly like that, but let's say 20% less. You cannot sell with the price, retail price here. But you can make a very good profit margin here. So make sure you click on the link in the description of this video. Let's go now with the fourth supplier. That's overstock.com. And here they sell home furniture, gardening, and so on. You can see what you can buy here. That's very elegant. And let's go to, you can sell your products and much more. Here you'll find crazy good deals on everything for your home and more. They work every day to bring you the best products. Okay, let's read about them. So beyond the executive team, you can take a look, but we're not gonna look here. Go on the page, homepage. Okay. You can check all the categories here and see exactly what is best for you. Let's go to frequent asked question a bit. That's the most important thing. Okay, it's gonna read everything here that it might give you a lot of or a better understanding about them. Okay. Supply chains transparency. They support the worldwide. Okay, that's not we are looking for it. You can take a look on orders, account settings, and so on. And you can also, let's go to jewelry. And here are some products that you can buy. And you can see here it costs $29.99, but the minimum or the retail price is $69. And you can have a better understanding of how much you can earn. See the profit apparel. They are coming soon. Outdoor. So it's parasailing, gardening, outdoor shades and structure, heating and cooling, outdoor play. You can choose whatever you want and see if it's something that you are looking for. So this is overstock.com. the fourth supplier. Let's go now with the fifth and the last supplier, Costway.co.uk. You can find here products all under £99. Sell, you get 10% off deals. Buy more right at Costway. You have a lot of products to choose from. I have these, for example, inflatable water park bounce, let's say. And you can see the size, 5 meters, 2, almost 3 and 2. So for from 3 to 10 years old, the kids. Okay, let's go a little bit down and look at the detail. So they offer dropshipping. So dropshipping, they explain you what it is. So no joining fee and earn high profit. So be rewarded with redeemable coupons and offer regardless of your dropship level. Fast and free shipping in UK and mainland. All right, lower cost. 3,000 plus products. They have 2 warehouses in the UK and with thousands of products listed. Okay. Product support and their guarantee. They offer 90 days quality guarantee. That's nice. And here you can see the dropship discount coupons. So if you have total sales about £2,000, you get 10%. Between 2 to 4, 12%, and so on. And you can come, if you are successful and you sell over 30,000 or more, then you get 20% off. And of course, you have here extra coupons and so on. Total sales, unrefunded sales. That's very important. So here you can redeem dropship coupons. You can view all the coupons and so on, and read all the details about it. How to join the Costway Dropship program. You have here the steps. Okay, how can I get this? Okay, you need to register and so on. Can I become a dropshipper without a storefront? Hi, having a store in the prerequisite to become the Costway dropshipper. Okay, then you should take this into consideration. How can I get the discount if I am a dropshipper? Okay, you can read all the question here. Why can't upload the city? Okay. They have also an affiliate program. Let's read a little bit about them. More than just furniture. Read the history and so on. So this is costway.co.uk. The fifth and the last suppliers from this video. They offer also dropshipping. I hope you stay with me until the end of this video. I hope I gave you very good information, and leave a comment below in the comment section if you succeed to start having a partnership with one of these suppliers from this video, or maybe from my other videos, which I recommend to watch, because until now I can say I've talked about over 400 suppliers. So that's a lot to watch. Or either you can go and get the ebook from dropshipping-suppliershub.com. And of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button on my YouTube channel, Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to share it with your friends, you can help me with a share on the social platforms and other social media. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.